Just at the entrance, okay? He's coming out. I've got it.
Hi, Bhagwan. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's just check in there. Let's check. Make sure all of it's out.
Thank you.
Oh, don't worry. Bless you. Don't worry. See, it's all done. So, obviously your ear's very sore in there because all this is stuck to the ear canal. It's all out, okay? Come out in one go. Let me just have another look. Bless you. Don't worry. Oh, I feel for you. Yeah, it's very sore in there because it's all attached to... There's a bit of bleeding in there. That will stop though, okay?
Yeah.
It's just all the skin that was attached to it. That must have been really painful for you, I can imagine.
That's why I'm shouting.
I know, bless you. Okay, so that's all fine. There's a bit of blood in there.